how to manage your IRA account online with Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got an IRA with Regions Bank, well, here is how to manage it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link, and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials, and once logged in from the dashboard, you simply have to go to accounts and then select your IRA account. And there you can check your balance, contribution and investment performance. And there you can also view statements, set up automatic contributions or transfer funds if allowed. And there, if you need details on tax document, you can just go to the documents and statement section to download your forms. And for the changes like updating beneficiaries or rolling over funds, you can use the secure forms or contact support directly. Managing your IRA online is quick and secure with Regions Bank. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.